distribution of different things in identical boxes. Suppose there are 4 balls. Written over them are letters A, B, C, D, and 2 similar box. Identical box means similar in looking. There is no any difference. There is no any difference in appearance. Both looks similar. If we want to distribute these 4 different things in these 2 boxes such that one box contain 3 things and one box contain 1 thing, then in how many ways things can be distributed among these 2 identical boxes? When we distribute things in these 2 identical boxes, suppose we put 3 balls A, B, C inside this box and D inside this box. Then ABC stands in any order, either ABC or BAC or CAB. It does not make any difference. Number of ways will be 1. That means arrangement of things inside the boxes are not permitted. It is also not permitted to arrange the boxes among themselves. If we put ABC, A, B, C and D, ball written over them D inside this box, and if we place this box here and place this box here, then this will be arrangement of the 2 boxes among themselves. This is not permitted. That means number of ways will be same, whether this box stands first or this box stands second. This does not make any difference. Now, keeping these facts in the view, in how many different ways we can distribute these 4 balls among these 2 boxes. Out of these 4 balls, combination of 3 balls can be made in these 4 ways. When we take ABC, then remaining ball D will automatically go inside this box. Similarly, when we take 3 things A, B, D, then remaining thing C will automatically go inside this box. That means the number of ways of distributing things will be same as the number of combination of 3 things out of these 4 things. But we know that number of combination of 4 things taking 3 at a time, that means 4C3 will be equal to factorial 4 by factorial 4 minus 3 factorial 3, because formula is NCR is equal to factorial n by factorial n minus r factorial r. By using this formula, 4C3 can be written like this. this will be equal to factorial 4 by factorial 3 times 4 minus 3 will be 1 factorial 1. That means number of ways will be factorial of number of all things, number of all different things, factorial of number of all different things by divided by factorial of things in one box, factorial of number of things in one box times number of things in second box, This will be the number of ways of distributing these 4 different things in 2 identical boxes. But when we are asked to distribute these 4 different things in these 2 identical boxes such that each box contain 2 things, that means equal number of things, then we take combination of these 4 things, taking 2 things at a time. Number of this will be 4C2. This will be equal to factorial 4 by factorial 4 minus 2 factorial 2, that is equal to factorial 4 by factorial 2 factorial 2. These are 6 combinations. When we put AB inside this box, the remaining ball CD will automatically go inside this box. In this way, there are 6 ways, but there is some mistake in this calculation. AB inside this, CD inside this, and here is CD inside this, AB inside this. This is similar. This is the situation as if these 2 boxes have been arranged among themselves, and we are not allowed to arrange these boxes among themselves. Therefore, we will not count this way as 2 different way, but this way and this way will be considered as same way, that means one way. Similarly, this way and this way will be counted one way. This way and this way will not be counted as 2 way but 1 way. That means there is some mistake in this result. To make correction, we will divide factorial 4 by factorial 2 times. Why one way of distribution appear 2 times? Because these 2 boxes can be arranged in factorial 2 ways. That is why one way of distributing things in these 2 boxes have appeared 2 times here. So, to make correction, we divide this result by factorial 2, because these 2 boxes containing equal number of things can be arranged among factorial 2 ways. That is why we divide this result by factorial 2. Similarly, if there will be 3 boxes each containing equal number of things, then we will divide by factorial 3. Now observe how this result has been written. In the numerator, factorial of total number of things divided by factorial of things in one box, factorial of number of things in the second box. Now if number of things in the two boxes are equal, then we will divide by factorial 2. But if number of things are different, like 3 things in one box, 1 thing in second box, then we will not divide by factorial 2 or factorial any other number. This is the concept inherent inside number of distribution of different things among identical boxes. And based on this concept, now I am going to write formula relating to this distribution. Number of ways of distributing m plus n different things, total number of things m plus n, in two identical boxes containing m things and n things will be equal to factorial of total number of things m plus n divided by factorial of number of things in one box, factorial m, times number of things in second box, factorial of number of things in second box. And if we assume that m is not equal to n, therefore number of things in the two boxes are not equal, therefore we will not divide this result. Total number of different things are 2m. Total number of different things is 2m, and it has to be distributed in two identical boxes. Two identical boxes consisting of m things and m things will be equal to factorial of total number of things, that means factorial of 2m divided by factorial of m, factorial of m, factorial of m times factorial of m. Since number of things in two boxes are equal, therefore we will also divide this result by factorial 2. Number of ways of distributing m plus n plus p different things in three identical boxes containing m things, n things and p things. This is I, not E, things. This will be equal to factorial of total number of things m plus n plus p divided by number of things in first box, factorial of number of things in the second box, factorial of number of things in the third box, factorial m times factorial n times factorial p. Number of ways will be equal to this if m is not equal to n, m is not equal to p, n is not equal to p, not equal to. That means no any two of m and p are equal, then number of ways will be equal to this. Number of ways of distributing 2m plus n different things in 3 identical boxes containing m things, and n things will be equal to factorial of 2m plus n, 2m plus n divided by factorial m, factorial m, factorial n. We observe that number of things in 2 boxes are equal. Therefore, we will divide, since number of things equal in 2 boxes, therefore we will divide by factorial 2. In writing this result, we have assumed that m is not equal to n. Number of ways of distributing 3m different things in 3 identical boxes containing m things, and m things will be equal to factorial 3m divided by factorial m times factorial m times factorial m. Since number of things in 3 boxes are equal, therefore we will divide by factorial 3. In the similar way, we can write number of ways of distributing different things in more than 3 boxes, like 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes also. Suppose there are 2m plus 3n plus p things, and we are asked to divide them in boxes containing m things, n things, p things. That means 2, 3, 5 and 6. In 6 identical boxes, we are asked to distribute these different things in 6 identical boxes. Then number of ways will be factorial 2m plus 3n plus p divided by factorial m, factorial m, factorial n, factorial n, factorial n, factorial p times number of things in 2 boxes are equal, therefore we will divide by factorial 2. Number of things in 3 boxes are equal, therefore we will also divide by factorial 3. In this way, we can easily write number of ways of distributing different things in identical boxes. This is 7 number question. 5 people are distributed in 4 identical rooms. A room can also contain 0 people. Find the number of ways to distribute them. There are 4 identical rooms. 4 identical rooms. Room, 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 room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 5, but 4 room. Only 4 room. And number of people are 5. to distribute 5 people in these 4 identical rooms, number of ways of doing this will be same if when we distribute 5 different things in 4 identical boxes, therefore number of ways will be same. But in the question, it is said that a room can also contain 0 people. If this contains 0 people, then all these 5 people will be distributed in these 3 rooms. This will be the case that 5 people are distributed in 5 different things are distributed in 3 identical boxes. Suppose this contains 0 person, this contains 0 person. Then all the 5 people will be distributed in these 2 rooms. This will be situation that 5 different things are distributed in 2 identical boxes. That means question is that in how many different ways 5 different things can be distributed among 1 box or 2 identical box or 3 identical box or 4 identical box. Number of people are 4 and number of identical room is number of people is equal to 5, not 4 but 5, and number of identical rooms is equal to 4. When we distribute these 5 people in 1 room, number of ways will be factorial 5, factorial of total number of things divided by factorial of number of things in 1 box. This will be equal to 1. When we distribute these 5 people in 2 rooms, 2 identical rooms, then this room can contain, 1 room can contain 1 person and another room can contain 4 person, or this room can contain 2 person and this room can contain 3 person. When we distribute people in this way, then number of ways will be factorial 5 by factorial 1, factorial 4, this will be equal to 5. When we distribute people in numbers 2 and 3, then number of ways will be factorial 5 by factorial 2, factorial 3, this will be equal to 10. That means division in 1, number of ways 1. Distribution of people in 1/4, then number of ways is 5. Distribution of people in numbers 2 and 3, then number of ways of distributing them are 10. When 5 people are distributed among 3 identical rooms, then they can be distributed in numbers 3, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 1. Number of ways of distributing in numbers 3, 1, 1 will be factorial 5 by factorial 3, factorial 1, factorial 1. Number of things in these 2 rooms are equal, therefore we will divide this by factorial 2, and this will be equal to 10. Number of ways of distributing people in these 3 rooms, 3 identical rooms, in numbers 2 to 1 will be equal to factorial 5 by factorial 2 factorial 2 factorial 1. Since number of things in 2 rooms are equal, therefore we will divide this by factorial 2. That is equal to 3 times 4 times 5 by 4. That is equal to 15. Thus, division in numbers 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1 can be made in 10 different ways, and distribution, not division but distribution of people in numbers 2 to 1 can be made in 15 different ways. There are 5 people and 4 rooms. If we put 1 person in each room, then there will be left 1 person, and that 1 person can be kept in any one room. That means distribution of people can be made in numbers 2, 1, 1, 1, only this way. And number of ways of doing distribution of persons in these 4 identical rooms in numbers 2, 1, 1, 1 will be equal to factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 factorial 1 factorial 1 factorial 1 times number of person in 3 rooms are equal, therefore we will divide by factorial 3, and this is equal to 4 times 5, 10. This is equal to 10. That means distribution of people in numbers 2, 1, 1, 1 can be made in 10 different ways. Total number of ways is equal to sum of all these ways. 0 plus 5, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 51 ways.